Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on the FlirtMe website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in flirtme.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official FlirtMe website. Now in order to reset your password, click on the login button at the top right corner and then from the login page, click on the Forgot Password button. After you do this, you will be asked to enter your email address. So type in your email address and then click on the checkbox which says I'm not a robot. Finally, click on the Submit button and you will be asked to check your inbox. So log into your email address that you used to sign up for your FlirtMe account and you will find a link that you can click on to set your new password. Go ahead and click on the link and now you will be asked to enter your desired new password. Just type in your desired password and then type it in once again to confirm it and finally tap on the submit button. And now your password will successfully be changed and you can click on the login button and use your newly set password to log into your account on FlirtMe. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the FlirtMe application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.